Hello.
Good afternoon, madam. This is your question. What is your impression about policemen?
Police. Well, basically, I know that policemen are the ones who is protecting our country. But then, for a personal point of view, I think, because I have this certain ideology that policemen, in line with defense of our state, are supposed to defend our country, defend in the ways that people living in our nation must be protected for any alteration in crime. But then, I believe that since our country is a democratic country and actually the government is composed of these oligarchs, and these oligarchs are the types of elites. That's why I believe that the line of policemen or our military state is designed to protect the elites, therefore, because the motto of the policemen or the PNP, which is serve and protect, is pertaining to serve and protect the elites. That's all. But then I guess policemen are important since they are the ones who will be protecting us from other people, of course. That's all.